sludge! Hey, you! Get a whiff of that! I got a ski-daddle that calls car wash!
Ooh, I'm really digging this music. Huh?
Carl, I was fixing to finish the big dig by the end of the day, and then, boom! Can you give me the old scrub-a-dub?
Ooh, you need it. Ooh. Hey, did this happen at the construction site?
Sure thing.
How's it going? What are you building?
Sorry, Carl. These lips are sealed. It's a surprise.
All right, all right. I get it. Now, let's get started. What kind of vehicle are you driving? Is the vehicle a crane, a steamroller, or a digger? That's it. It's a digger. Now, let's see how messy it is. Is it a little messy, medium messy, or super duper messy? I'd say it's super duper messy. Let me see what kind of mess this is. There's no doubt about it. It's gross. Is it yellow mustard, stinky sludge, or cranberry juice? That's it. It's stinky sludge. And one more thing. What size is this vehicle? Is it normal sized or is it big? It's big, all right.
That never gets old.
That'll be 20 tokens, Dharma.
Super. I'll drop them in by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm going in! back to the construction site and plug that sludge geyser and tidy up the place.
Good luck.
Hey, I have an idea. Do you clean up construction sites?
Dirty, stinky ones? No thanks.
Not even construction sites you're itching to see?
Sorry. Vehicles only.
Oh, shucks. Well,